Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, January 18th. Kind of a quieter close for grains. We did have corn up, though, today, up about 3 cents. Beans down a penny for March, up about 2 cents for May. We saw some spread unwinding in the beans, but overall, relatively light trade. But wheat's climbing about 10 cents. Still have some colder weather yet coming through the plains. The guys are worried about. We certainly know that wheat had gone into dormancy at the lowest good to excellent rating that we ever have, but still going to be a little concerned, but did get a nice recovery for wheat here today. Wheat ended up about 36 cents higher on the week. Beans, though, up 56 for the week, and corn keeping a pretty good gain, up about 18 3/4 cents on the week as well. So the grains did manage to stay and close stronger on these weekly charts. We did have some numbers out this morning about at 10:30 from Informa. Not a lot of change here as far as acreage numbers. The market was trying to react to that, but maybe a slight increase in corn, slight decrease in beans, but no major changes to get the market all excited today. Not a lot of help from these outside markets as well. Crude oil unchanged, but a strong week. You know, as we mentioned yesterday, the energy markets have been climbing higher. Crude oil as well. We did close very strong yesterday. We're up about $1.90 for the week, and those charts look pretty friendly right now. And if we can get a little bit more momentum, next upside target could be somewhere close to that $100 mark. The dollar today up about 41 cents. So trying to recover from a lower start for the week, and looks like it's pretty strong right now. We'll see if it can close that way, though, today as well. But the big story this week, as we mentioned before, in the cattle. Big, strong down day yesterday for cattle. We got some more follow-through selling here today as well. Fat cattle down $1.40. Box beef today coming in slightly lower as well. Choice down $1.18. Select down $1.84. That helped fuel this negative momentum today for cattle. But big thing today, cash cattle trading at $123. That's $3 to $4 lower than last week, and that helped pressure things and keep things down here today as well. But this 123 cash cattle trade, these are some of the lower trades that we've seen in the recent while. We've had these are the lows that we had the week of December 5th, November 15th, and also September 26th that we all hit this $1.23 cash trade. We were able to rally from then. Question is, are we going to see this hold as well, or are we going to see some lower trade next week? If we can see some stronger trade next week, maybe we can get this the markets to look a little bit better. We know that we've taken out almost about 5 months of trading all within 1 week with this downturn that we've seen. So the pressure from yesterday's plant closing in Texas, at least the talks of that, as well as this lower cash trade, really pretty negative for cattle. But for hogs, down 62 cents today. Still a stronger week. $1.12 rally this week, but kind of a negative day. We did see cash markets remain strong this week and look to still be pointing higher. We get into the seasonal tendency where the cash markets tend to rally as we go into April, and still looking for that to continue. So a lot of things thrown at you guys this week. Next week at this time, we're going to be starting our conference out here in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Get your seats reserved. There is still some time for you guys to get out here. We've got some seats available yet. So give us a call. Be glad to set you up with that. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out online, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great long weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.